Hello, in this video we show you how to replace the right engine mount on Ford B-Max with a 1.6 Ti-VCT engine. The right engine mount on this car is located behind the coolant tank. It's located right there. To get access to the right engine mount, first we're going to remove the coolant tank. We're not going to disconnect any hoses, we're just going to put it aside, just move it out of its place and put it to the side. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And now we have access to the right engine mount. Before we remove the right engine mount, first we're going to put a jack underneath the engine. We're going to put this jack onto the oil pan and we're going to remove the 4 bolts holding the engine mount. Now that the 4 bolts are out, we're going to lift up the engine mount, and that's the engine mount out. Now we're going to replace it. Putting the engine mount back on is in the exact reverse way. First we're going to put it in its place and then we're going to put on the 4 bolts and tighten them. Once we tighten the 4 bolts, then we can remove the jack under the engine and we can put the coolant tank back in its place. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.